Sorry guys, we're on the last video, but I accidentally turned the phone off, so this is gonna be a part 2. Here, record me while doing the ASMR. Hurry, hurry, Becca. Record me doing the ASMR. No, Becca, put it down. How do they have to see it like that? Hurry. No, I'm not putting it on that dirty. Are you dirty? Record it. And you're saying it what? Oh my god, you're so sensuous, man. I just tried that, didn't you see me?
You're moving it.
Yeah, of course, I need to move this line. Just hold it. You have hands. You see my hand? Who cares? I'm touching it here. Your hands are cleaner than mine. Michael, hold it. No. Okay. Here, Becca. Becca. Oh my gosh, man. Record the slime. Right there.
You want me to make this happy?
So it's not that stretchy, but it is kind of stretchy. Do my swirl.
This is going.
Shh, I'm gonna do poking. Not that much crackle apples. I'm trying to make a bubble. This is kind of fun. Look, I hope this slime's top. Make a hole. A big hole. Yeah. And now you can see it's not that stretchy. And I like to color it some videos. So now let's do ASMR on my cousin. Ready? To do yours? Well, she's about to do it, so yeah. Put yours right there and do your ASMR.
Mine has
It's okay. I don't like mine too.
Get away.
Huh? Okay. She's gonna. Wait, where's my shrimp coming from? She's gonna add more of this. Add. Oh.
Get away, my phone. Get away, my phone.
I'm gonna add some more. They're poking noises. Crackalackles. They're poking crackalackles and all that on the box.
I'm looking for things. I'm looking for things.
They look like a dolly.
Me.
Okay, well then don't play with nothing. Play it yourself.
Can I play with my stuff?
Wait until we're finished with the video. What's the shaving cream?